is on the NF railway duty. And these are generally the boats ferry off in the river BRAHMAPUTRA. So you can see that in the early morning. It's something to run on. It's on 13 September 2009. It's not 2009, it's 2010 of the month of September. It's on the back side of the river BRAHMAPUTRA. You see a lot of greenery in the marshy land and muddy lands. You can see some lines of Himalayan ranges also.